In this video, I'll guide you through how to animate text in DaVinci Resolve. Animating text is a fantastic way to add dynamic flair to your projects, and DaVinci Resolve offers a robust toolkit to make this process smooth and intuitive. Whether you're adding a slide-in title or a simple fade, this tutorial will help you achieve polished, professional results with ease. To get started, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the timeline where you want your animated text to appear. The first step is to add a text plus title to your timeline. The text plus feature in DaVinci Resolve is incredibly versatile, allowing for more complex animations than the standard text option. Simply drag and drop the text plus effect onto your timeline at the desired position. Once your text is on the timeline, select the text clip and look for the inspector panel, typically located on the top right side of your interface. If it's not visible, click on the inspector button to reveal it. The inspector is your control center for customizing text properties and animations. Within the inspector, you'll find a section labeled Transform. This is where the magic happens. Under Transform, you'll see controls for position, size, rotation, and opacity. These are the attributes you can animate to bring your text to life. To start creating an animation, first move the playhead to the point on the timeline where you want your animation to begin. For instance, if you're planning a slide-in effect, this would be the point where the text is initially off-screen. Once the playhead is in position, you'll want to set keyframes for the properties you wish to animate. To do this, click the diamond icon next to the property you're interested in, such as position. Clicking the diamond sets a keyframe, marking the beginning of the animation. You'll notice the diamond turns red, indicating that a keyframe has been set. Next, move the playhead forward to the point where you want the animation to end. This could be just a few seconds later, depending on how quick you want the transition to be. With the playhead at its new position, adjust the property you're animating. For example, if you're creating a slide-in effect, drag the text so that it's now on screen. Alternatively, if you're going for a fade-in, you might adjust the opacity from 0 to 100%. As you make these changes, DaVinci Resolve automatically creates a new keyframe, capturing the end state of your animation. The software seamlessly interpolates between these two keyframes, creating a smooth transition effect. This automatic interpolation is what makes DaVinci Resolve so powerful for animations, saving you time and effort as it handles the in-between frames. This method is not only great for slide-ins and fade-ins, but is also perfect for simple rotations or any combination of transformations. You can experiment with different properties to create unique effects tailored to your project's needs. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to animate text in DaVinci Resolve. With these tools at your disposal, your text animations can be as subtle or dynamic as you need. Feel free to explore and try different settings to see what works best for your specific project. DaVinci Resolve's animation capabilities offer you a world of creative possibilities. Happy editing!